alaikum everyone. Have you paid your zakat yet? Ramadan is almost finished. Don't forget to pay your zakat and get more and more rewards when paying your zakat in the month of Ramadan. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, the night of decree is better than 1,000 months. So imagine how much reward you can get by paying your zakat in the month of Ramadan. Just by giving few dollars away, you can get so much reward. So what is zakat, you may ask? Zakat is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Zakat is a mandatory act of giving a portion of your wealth to those in need. But it's not just about giving, it's about purifying your wealth and helping others live a better life. It's one of the 5 pillars of Islam. So now you must be thinking, how much do I need to give? What is actually the rate of zakat? How do I calculate zakat? Let me help you with that. In one of the well-known hadiths, our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, when you own 200 dirhams and 1 year passes over it, 5 dirhams are due as zakat. That basically means 5 over 200, which is 2.5%. So the rate of zakat is 2.5%. Next, you need to know what assets are included in the calculation. Zakat is calculated on your savings, your cash at home or bank, any investments that you have, any shares that you have got, any gold or silver that you own, and any other wealth that you had for at least 1 full lunar year. If your total wealth is greater than Nisab, then you will need to pay zakat. Nisab is the minimum amount of wealth that you must have before you are required to pay zakat. If your wealth reaches or exceeds this threshold, then you calculate 2.5% of it to pay out as zakat. You can choose to follow either the gold or silver threshold. And you can see on the screen the thresholds for each. In this example, we have used silver as a threshold. Remember, you need to check the market value of the gold or silver at the time you are calculating your zakat. And this is easily found through Google search and depending on which country you are living in. So in our case, the Nisab is $367.42 and our total wealth is $8,000. So it exceeds the threshold. That means our $8,000 exceeds the Nisab amount, and we then calculate 2.5% of $8,000. I hope this video helped you in understanding what zakat is, the importance of zakat, how to calculate zakat for distribution. Remember, every little distribution counts. And like it's our obligation to give zakat to poor people, it's poor people's right to receive the zakat from us. It's not just one-way street. It's not for us to only give, or it's our obligation to give. It is actually the poor people's right to receive it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to give your zakat.
الحياة